Welcome back to another video, viewers and subscribers. You don't know, you're watching 4 Minute Rasta. And today we're on a boat mission. You don't know, boat as in oil in a pot. Yeah, coconut oil. So you don't know where you go. Run where I run a pot. No, actually a boat, you see me? You don't know where I go put the oil in a pot. Quick and fast, make it short. Coconut oil in a pot. Viewers and subscribers, you don't know where you go. Food of eat. You see me? So today we make some Jamaican style curry chicken. You don't know, yeah, me is a chicken man. You know, a Rasta channel, but you know, bro, see the chicken every now and then, so you know where it go. So we just there spice up some chicken, some curry chicken today. Well seasoned. So me have my turmeric instead of curry. Yeah, we don't use curry people, a turmeric powder we use. But anyway, so we have a natural season right here, so no SMG, tropical, you know, original Jamaican thing. You see it? Yeah, people, so what I gotta do now, that's some turmeric in that. Yeah man, turmeric in a pot. Make that go and burn a little. Yeah? Cause you don't know no one, you see me? Trouble. Alright, my people, blessings, you know where you go. Turmeric in a pot, stir it a little. Yeah, get it the turmeric powder even through the oil, so chicken can curry the right way and catch color the right way. Get a little burn. This is how I like it, to bring up the flavor, bring up the turmeric flavor more. Yeah, then I throw my curry chicken, the chicken in the pot. Right? Put the chicken in the pot and stir it a little, of course. Yeah man, give it a stir, make the color go through it even and make the chicken catch it color, catch the curry color. Yeah my people, so you don't know, a simple thing, simple natural, coconut oil, turmeric. So just a give it a stir, make the chicken catch the color. You know where you go already my people, Jamaican style, that's how we do it. 4 Minute Rasta. Now watch the chicken my people, you don't know a food same man. Yeah. And food of eating in order for work on the farm. You know where you go my people. Alright. So give it a stir. Make sure say the turmeric go through it even. Well even right through. Make it go and then me I go cover it and make it go and burn a little. You know where you go. Yeah people, so cover it back. Make it go and catch color. Alright, this is how it look after some minutes, after a few minutes. Curry start, the turmeric start, you know, soaking in the chicken look more. And you know we go, we are going to do like a natural seasoning, pepper, tomato, no, pepper, sweet pepper, scotch bonnet pepper, of course onion, and some garlic, right? Yeah man, these are the natural season I use for today. Strictly Jamaican season, right? And I go so boom and just get a dash in the pot. All of my natural season them. Onion, garlic, sweet pepper and the scotch bonnet pepper. Everything make it go and flavor through the chicken. The flavor go and catch in the chicken, you know? So you go farming in Rasta style. You see it? So give that a stir. Make the natural season go through it and go and steam through it and saute through the chicken, right? Yeah man, just stir it. You have to always stir your pot to make sure the season go through it even. Everything have the flavor, the right flavor, you know? Yeah people, so I go so now and cover it back and then, you know, catch the spoon right there so. Cover him, make him go and, you know, saute. Now put no water upon him, make him steam, him saute through in the own water, you know. Yeah. So after a few minutes, about half hour, this is when I have, yeah, turmeric curry chicken, Jamaican style, you know, just a simmer down. So they go ahead and add little water to it earlier, you know. So we just make him get the finalized cook down. And ready for it, yeah. See him just start simmer down the right way now, my people. Just watch how I go on, my people. And a normal something full of flavor, look good, everything. See we have some white rice over here, so some good old jasmine white rice for eat with it. You know, I got my people a curry turmeric chicken and white rice. So we just make the chicken go and cook down, you know? Yeah, the right way, because you know we don't eat raw food. No raw food, people. And yeah, right there, so we have a butter bean. Butter bean, otherwise known as broad bean, I go put in the curry chicken. If you give it a little body, yeah, because you know we don't want no water down thing. I understand, my people. It have full of strength and strong. You see it? Yeah, my people. So I put the butter bean in this. Make the butter bean go and cook with it and give the sauce some body, some strong body in it. So tell me how it look, my people. Remember to leave a like, comment, and you know, subscribe and click on the notification bell if you like the chefings, you know, if you like them, the ingredient and the turmeric curry chicken, yeah, my people. So give it a stir, as me say. You know, everything have to even out in the pot as always, so everything can catch the right flavor. So what I'm going to do now, just make this sit and cook and finish cook right throughout, and then, you know, check for my rice at the same time, because you know rice have to steam properly too. Yeah, man, curry chicken, curry turmeric chicken, my people. No normal. So the sauce thick, you know, I get thick. Yeah, my people. So it look well nice and spicy. So just cover that, make that go and cook. Check for my rice. White rice, jasmine rice, my people, we have with it. You know where go. And the chicken, I just go and, you know, cook and steam right through, my people. Yeah, man, I eat this. Ready for eat now, my people. So, yeah, this is how it looking at the plate. Voila. Yeah, man. See, here is where the magic happen now, my people. See it here? Curry chicken, curry turmeric chicken, and white rice. Jamaican style. The farming Rasta style. And I eat this, my people. Respect.